Alrighty, welcome to PC Building Simulator. So the real reason I want to jump in here is because we've got this PC Building Simulator Esports expansion. So we actually get to run our own esports tournaments and deal with all of the networking and computer issues and problems and fun things that you would in a real life tournament. But before I start the esports DLC, it's told me I should play the career mode. So I'm going to jump right in here now and give this a look. So let's jump in here. Now I've had my fair share of building real PCs, so it'll be very interesting to see how accurate this simulator is. Welcome to PC Building Simulator. To begin, go to your PC by the doorway and open the email program on the desktop. You've got mail. Now that looks like my PC. That's the doorway. Indeed, here we go. Now go to the email program. Click on the email program. There we go. Double click it. Thanks for taking over this PC shop for me. Sorry it's not a better state. A few things. The company isn't doing very well. The rent and energy bills come out monthly. I had a job on the go which should help with the rent. Remember to use your thermal paste when putting the CPU. I almost always forget. And the PCs overheat. Yes, thermal paste is important in real life CPUs as well. So I think you're all set up. It's your company now, so run it how you see fit. Lots of love, Uncle Tim. You had to borrow $15 for fuel. Classic. Virus scan. Hi Tim, hope you can help me. My computer has been running slower than usual. I think I might have clicked on something I shouldn't have. Do I have a virus? Go to PC. Alright. We need to look into whether we can fix this. Alright, pick up the PC. Use the mouse to look around, WSD to move. Yep, fair enough. Oh, I'm going to place the PC down there. Okay. Click to work on this PC, click to pick up the PC, click to switch on. Let's work on it first. For this job you need to run a virus scan. Press 3 or the cable button and plug the monitor, keyboard, mouse and power into it. Alright. So, 3. The cable. Oh, I've actually got it. I see. Oh, there we go. I can move around a little bit. That'll probably help me. Okay. We need to plug in the... It's a bit confusing because that looks like a USB on the desk there, to be honest. Okay, it is. Connect the motherboard. Jesus, a bit difficult to navigate. Hold, scroll, or WSD to pan the camera. That doesn't work. This rotates it. I can't pan it though. No, definitely cannot pan that. I can just zoom. Okay. Connect the graphics card. Done. Connect the HDMI cable. Done. And connect the power. Done. Okay, are we done? We power on the PC now. There you go, that looks like it's running fine. The fan's going on the motherboard on top of the CPU. Alright, so the CPU had been installed there and the fan is going. So, now I'm just move over here, install the virus scanner. No keyboard. Oh, alright, let's get out here then. Oh, there it is. Need to plug the keyboard in, insert the USB drive, which I saw over here. Don't know where it's disappeared to though, and I can't move around. Right, where's this USB? There's the mouse. Right. Should I have read that thing about the USB maybe? I just thought it was there was a USB sitting on the desk. But apparently not. Okie dokie. Must be level 5 to change, but it's not there. Obviously. Can I get in those drawers? No. Let's just get on here. No keyboard still. Definitely plug the keyboard in. didn't I? Keyboard is definitely plugged in. Oh, now I've got to start plugging everything in again. Place PC. Don't do that. Don't pick up the PC. That's the pro tip. Alright. We've got the keyboard. I'm going to plug it. Got the keyboard, going to plug it in. Got the mouse, I believe, going to plug that in. Got the monitor, plug that into the HDMI. Got the power cord, plug that in. What more is there to do? That's... I mean, it did say plug in the USB, but I don't know where the USB is. Oh, let's switch on the PC. Hold Enter or F2 to enter BIOS. Here we go. I think the issue is that there's no operating system. And that's why we need the USB. Although it looks like we have a 120 gig hard drive there. Factory reset, discard changes and restart. What happens now? If we just wait, does it boot? Oh yes. Oh, that's very, very loud. Add programs. Insert the USB drive into the PC to continue. Where's this USB drive? I can't see. I really should have read that instruction, because I don't see a USB drive anywhere. Oh, maybe over here. Okay, USB drive. So how do I collect that? I have a USB drive. I want the USB drive. Click to open inventory. Okay. Let's have a look in the options here. Not the tool upgrade options. I want the controls. So if I can see exit interaction menu, show hide UI, inventory I. Okay, so I need to go into I. How do I grab that USB and put it in here? Oh, there we go. Install USB drive. Done. Easy. Click on here. Okay. Add programs. We need to add the virus scanner. And man, it's taken a while. There we go. You must restart your computer. Yes, let's restart. No, we're not going to hold any of that. We actually want it to boot. Okay then, virus scanner, start scanning. Warning, files found. Oh, we expected to find that. 385, let's clean them up. You have removed all the viruses, the PC is ready to return the client. Pick up the PC and place it in the delivery area. Alright. Get out of there, now I can pick up my PC. This button. The delivery area, is that here? Collect your reward. Now you need to collect your pay, alright. Switch on my PC. I don't know why my PC turned off. But anyway. Beautiful. Email. And collect my pay. There we go. Collect. $100. Not too bad. Alrighty, you've completed your first job, well done. Come back tomorrow to see if there are some more jobs to do. Continue. What do you mean come back tomorrow? Is that it? I'm done. I'm a genius. And that's it. By the way, that's the tree of Gondor in the background there. That is in fact the background that I selected, because it is actually using my desktop background. No more jobs. I'm sure there's a way. It's because I go select wallpaper, that doesn't let me do anything. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. These are random photos that I can select from. I quite like that dragon. How do we make time go quicker? Music player, so I can change music. Fair enough, that's pretty cool. Alrighty, I guess that's it for this video. We've cleared a virus, and as it said, come back tomorrow for another job. So I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. Alrighty,